Yeah, it's fresh oil. Let's see what that looks like. I'm really seeing a whole lot of chunks. Let's see if this stuff is magnetic. Yeah, none of this is magnetic. It's just gasket maker, the gray stuff that the seller used. So I put the drain plug back in. Let's see if this fluid reacts to a magnet, and I think it will. I think there are still some shavings, quite a bit of them. I see some metal in there for sure. Very fine specs. So I have this magnet, and I'm putting it under the pan as I move the fluid back and forth. And you can tell right there. Hope you can tell. Let's pull this cover off and see what the oil filter looks like. See if there's a lot of metal on it. So we'll look at this with the UV light real quick. Okay. All right, there's no leakage on this side. That's all I wanted to check. All right, nothing over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's definitely metal shavings in there. Here. Small metal shavings in there. I'm about to check it with a magnet again. Nevertheless, they are metal shavings. Yeah. Just run the magnet just as close as I can, like this, to them. Let's see how much I end up with. I'm ending up with some. Definitely ending up with some. Not too magnetic. Let's see. I mean, there's some magnetic pieces, but not all of them. Oh yeah. Definitely some magnetic pieces. There. Very fine stuff too. I'm trying to get stuff from where it looks like there's a lot of metal. Yeah, there's some magnetic pieces. Actually, not as bad as I expected. Stick my finger in there. See what I come out with. Last time there was a crap ton of shavings. Yeah, we definitely have some shavings. Let's see if those are magnetic. Nope, those are not magnetic. Next step is going to be removing the head and the cylinder. Oh yeah, there's definitely oil on it. Oil in the spark plug, for sure. Maybe bad rings. I'm just gonna put a magnet in there just to see how much crap I can collect. And I bet it's gonna be a ton. Here's the rare earth magnet, and I'm going to wrap some tape around it just so it's easier to clean. Here's the magnet. Let's see what we can collect. It's a lot of crud. Let's see. It's actually not that bad. It's much better than I expected. Yeah, there's some stuff on there. Maybe hard to see. Okay, good news. So our goal is to inspect the engine, get in the cylinder, inspect the piston rings, the valves. So what we're gonna do now is remove the seat, remove the tank, unhook the carburetor, unhook the exhaust, and start trying to take the head off. This is a 10mm bolt. We're gonna make sure that the gas is off, and we're gonna unhook the fuel line. All right, a little bit of gas is going to come out. Just a little bit, not much. Take off this plastic piece here. Just pop it off. Remove the tank. There we go. Let's pull that. All right, it may leak a little bit of gas. I'm just gonna leave the carburetor. It'll be fine. I unhooked the spark plug wire. I'm gonna loosen the spark plug as well. Next, we're gonna take off this bracket. Okay, now we're going to remove this cam sprocket cover, 2 bolts, 8 millimeters. There's this gray silicone all over the place. Get it to the top dead center. Okay, we're at the top dead center. I think timing may actually be slightly off. I'll show you. You can see right there, it's lined perfectly on a flywheel. But there, it's just slightly behind. It may be in time, but it's very difficult to tell. It may be just fine, actually. It's hard to tell. Chain doesn't appear to be loose. Now we're going to remove this camshaft bolt right here. To do that, we're going to hold the crankshaft with a ratchet and then use another ratchet to take this off. The crankshaft bolt is going to be 18 millimeters and that's going to be 17 millimeters. Let's see how that works out. And that, my friends, is weird.